Welcome to our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
We've got a stack of articles and research here.
Wow.
And let me tell you, it's fascinator stuff.
I bet.
AI is so much more than just a buzzword.
Right.
It's already shaping our world in ways we might not even realize.
It's true.
The applications of AI are so ingrained in our lives
Right.
that we often don't even think of them as AI anymore.
Exactly.
But before we get ahead of ourselves,
Yeah.
let's take a step back
Okay.
and answer the fundamental question.
All right.
What is AI?
Well, at its core,
Mm.
AI is about creating machines that can exhibit intelligent behavior,
Okay.
particularly computer systems that can learn, reason, and solve problems.
So,
Imagine a computer that can learn from its mistakes, adapt to new information,
yeah,
and make decisions based on data,
much like we do.
much like we do.
So instead of explicitly programming every single step,
Right.
we're essentially teaching machines to learn from experience. And that's a key difference from traditional software.
Yes.
AI systems are designed to be adaptable
Yeah.
and to improve their performance over time.
That's right.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So where are we already seeing AI in action? I
Now,
feel like it's everywhere.
you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
AI is already integrated into many aspects of our lives.
Yeah.
Think about the personalized recommendations you get on streaming services like Netflix or Spotify.
Okay.
Those are powered by AI algorithms that analyze your viewing or listening history
Right.
and predict what you might enjoy.
Yeah.
Or consider those virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa.
Sure.
They use natural language processing, a branch of AI, to understand your commands and respond in a way that simulates human conversation.
Wow, it's
Oh,
incredible
I know, right?
how seamlessly these technologies have become part of our daily routines.
I agree.
What are some other ways AI is being used? Maybe things we don't encounter every day but are still having a huge impact.
Well, AI is making waves in healthcare, for example.
Yep.
Researchers are developing AI systems that can analyze medical images,
Okay.
like X-rays and MRIs,
Uh-huh.
to detect diseases earlier and more accurately than human doctors.
Wow, that's incredible.
It is.
So AI could potentially help save lives.
Absolutely.
Really?
Early and accurate diagnosis is crucial for effective treatment.
Right.
AI is also being used to personalize treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle factors,
Interesting.
leading to more targeted and effective therapies.
So AI is not just about cool gadgets and entertainment.
No.
It has the potential to revolutionize how we approach some of the biggest challenges facing humanity.
Precisely.
That's amazing.
AI is also transforming the world of finance.
Really?
AI-powered algorithms are used to analyze market trends, assess risk, and manage investments,
Okay.
often with greater speed and accuracy than human analysts.
That makes me think about those robo-advisors I've heard about.
Yes.
Are those powered by AI?
Yes, they are.
So they use AI algorithms to provide automated financial advice and investment management,
That's right.
making financial planning more accessible and affordable for a wider range of people.
Exactly.
I see how that could be helpful.
Yeah.
And what about the impact of AI on industries like transportation or manufacturing?
AI is playing a significant role in those sectors as well.
Oh, wow.
We're already seeing the emergence of self-driving cars and trucks, which have the potential to make transportation safer and more efficient.
That's pretty cool.
In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are being used to automate tasks, improve quality control, and optimize production processes.
It sounds like AI is having a profound impact on almost every industry imaginable.
It really is.
What about the creative fields?
Yeah.
Can AI be artistic?
It's an intriguing question.
Yeah.
While some might argue that true creativity is a uniquely human trait,
Sure.
AI is being used in fascinating ways in art, music, and writing.
Like how?
For example, there are AI programs that can compose original musical pieces, generate artwork in various styles,
Wow.
and even write short stories or poems.
That's both exciting and a little unsettling.
It is, isn't it?
It seems like AI is blurring the lines between what we traditionally consider human capabilities and what machines can do.
It certainly is.
As AI continues to evolve, it's going to challenge our understanding of what's possible and force us to rethink our relationship with technology.
I think you're right.
So while we may not have robot overlords just yet,
Not yet.
it seems like AI is already having a major impact on our world.
Absolutely.
And as we delve deeper into the complexities of AI,
Yeah.
it's important to consider not just its capabilities, but also the ethical and societal implications of this powerful technology.
I agree.
That's where things start to get really interesting.
Absolutely.
You're right. We can't ignore the potential challenges that come with such transformative technology.
Oh.
But before we jump into those complex issues, I think it would be helpful to understand a bit more about how these AI systems are actually built and trained.
Yeah, that makes sense.
What's going on under the hood, so to speak.
Like, how are they made?
Exactly.
Right.
That's what we'll explore next in part 2 of our deep dive.
Sounds good. Welcome back.
Thanks.
Before we jumped into the ethical and societal implications of AI, you wanted to know a bit more about how these systems are actually built and trained.
Yes, exactly. We've talked about AI's capabilities, but I'm curious about the different approaches to creating these intelligent systems. What's going on behind the scenes?
Well, one approach is to try and replicate human reasoning directly, using symbols and logic.
Oh, okay.
This is called symbolic AI.
Okay.
Think of it like programming a computer to understand language by feeding it a dictionary and grammar rules.
So it's like trying to teach a computer to think like a logician.
Yeah.
Breaking down complex tasks into a series of if-then statements.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. But symbolic AI has its limitations.
Like what?
It struggles with tasks that humans find easy.
Really?
Like recognizing faces or understanding nuances in language.
Yeah.
It turns out those seemingly simple things are incredibly complex for computers to grasp.
Wow.
When relying solely on rules and logic.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
It seems counterintuitive that things we find effortless can be so challenging for AI.
This is something known as Moravec's paradox.
Moravec's paradox.
The things that are hard for humans, like complex calculations, are relatively easy for AI, while things that come naturally to us, like perception or common sense, are incredibly difficult for AI to master.
So if the symbolic AI has these limitations, what other approaches are there?
Another approach is called connectionism, which led to the development of artificial neural networks.
Interesting.
These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain, with interconnected nodes that process information and learn from data.
So instead of rigid rules, we're now talking about systems that can learn and adapt based on the data they're exposed to.
Exactly.
So it's a move away from explicitly programming AI with all the answers to teaching it to learn from experience.
Right.
Much like how humans learn.
Exactly.
This shift towards data-driven learning, along with the availability of massive data sets and powerful computing, has fueled the recent advancements in AI.
That's right.
That brings us to deep learning, which seems to be all over the news these days.
It is.
What exactly is deep learning, and how does it differ from other types of AI?
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence the deep learning.
I see.
These layers allow the system to extract increasingly complex features from the data.
Can you give us an example of how that works in practice?
Imagine a deep learning system designed to recognize objects in images.
Okay.
The first layer might learn to detect simple edges and lines. The next layer might use those edges and lines to identify shapes.
Okay.
Further layers might combine those shapes to recognize specific objects, like a car or a face.
Interesting.
The system learns these features hierarchically, from simple to complex, by analyzing vast amounts of data.
So it's like building a tower of knowledge, where each layer adds a deeper level of understanding.
Right.
No wonder deep learning is so powerful.
It's this ability to learn intricate patterns from massive amounts of data that has made deep learning so effective in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and even game playing.
Wow.
Think about how accurately your phone can now recognize your face to unlock.
Yeah.
Or how well your virtual assistant understands your voice commands.
That's true.
That's the power of deep learning at work.
It's pretty incredible.
It is.
But even with these advancements, it seems like AI is still far from achieving human-level intelligence.
It is, yeah.
What are some of the key challenges researchers are grappling with?
One major challenge is creating AI systems that are more robust and reliable.
Okay.
Current AI systems can be easily fooled or confused by unexpected inputs. Think about self-driving cars.
Right.
They need to be able to navigate a wide range of unpredictable situations.
Yeah.
From changing weather conditions to unexpected obstacles on the road.
Wow.
Ensuring that AI systems can handle these complexities reliably is crucial for their widespread adoption.
That makes sense.
It does.
What about the issue of AI bias? We hear a lot about that in the news.
We do.
How can we make sure that AI systems are fair and unbiased in their decision-making?
That's a critical area of focus for AI researchers.
Okay.
AI systems learn from data. And if that data reflects existing biases in society, the AI system can perpetuate those biases.
I see.
For example, imagine an AI system used for hiring.
Okay.
That was trained on data from a company with a history of gender discrimination. The system might unintentionally learn to favor male candidates over female candidates.
Wow.
Even if gender isn't explicitly included as a factor in its decision-making process.
So it's not just about the technology itself.
No.
It's also about the data it's trained on.
That's right.
And the potential for those data sets to reflect societal biases.
Exactly.
Addressing AI bias requires careful attention to data selection, algorithm design, and ongoing monitoring to ensure that AI systems are making fair and equitable decisions.
Absolutely.
This makes me realize that while the technology itself is fascinating, the implications of how we use and develop AI are equally important.
They are, yeah.
We've only scratched the surface of these issues.
We have.
And I'm eager to delve deeper into the ethical and societal implications.
Those are certainly crucial aspects of the AI conversation.
Okay.
We'll explore those in the next part of our deep dive.
Sounds good.
Join us as we delve into the potential impact of AI on society,
the
workforce, and even what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines.
We've explored what AI is and how these systems are built, but now I'm really curious about the bigger picture.
Okay.
What does the future hold for AI? And how might it impact our lives in the years to come?
That's the question everyone is asking.
Yeah.
And honestly, there's no crystal ball.
Right.
But by looking at current trends and advancements, we can make some educated guesses.
Okay.
One concept that often comes up is superintelligence.
Superintelligence?
Yeah.
That sounds straight out of a science fiction novel.
It does, doesn't it?
What exactly does it mean?
It refers to a hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect. Not just in specific tasks like playing chess or solving equations, but in overall cognitive ability, creativity, problem solving.
Wow.
You name it.
Okay, I can see how that could be both exciting and a little unnerving.
Yeah.
If we create something smarter than ourselves, how can we ensure it remains under our control?
That's the crux of what's known as the control problem in AI research.
The control problem.
How do we design superintelligent AI systems that align with human values and goals? And how do we prevent unintended consequences that could arise from their actions?
It sounds like we need to be thinking not just about building superintelligence, but about building it responsibly.
Exactly.
The concept of friendly AI emphasizes building AI systems that are inherently aligned with human values and goals.
Yeah.
So it's not just about intelligence. It's about ensuring that intelligence is directed towards outcomes that benefit humanity.
That's a good way to put it.
Okay.
But figuring out how to instill human values into a superintelligent AI is a huge challenge.
I can imagine.
Human values are complex, sometimes contradictory, and can vary across cultures and individuals.
Right.
Translating those values into a format that an AI can understand and act upon is a monumental task.
It makes you realize that the development of AI is not just a technological challenge. It's a philosophical and ethical one as well.
Absolutely.
And these are discussions we need to be having now.
I agree.
While AI is still in its relatively early stages of development, we need to consider the potential impact of AI on society, the workforce, and our very understanding of what it means to be human.
Exactly.
When we talk about AI's impact on society, what are some of the key areas we should be thinking about?
One major area is the future of work.
Okay.
As AI becomes more sophisticated, it has the potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans. This could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, but it also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce retraining.
So while AI could create new opportunities,
yes,
it also presents challenges that we need to address proactively.
Precisely.
Another significant impact could be on privacy and security.
True.
As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, they will collect and analyze vast amounts of data about us.
Right. Protecting that data and ensuring it's used responsibly is crucial.
Absolutely.
Think about facial recognition technology being used for surveillance or algorithms that could be used to manipulate people's opinions or behaviors.
It's scary to think about.
Those are some serious considerations.
Yeah.
It seems like the potential benefits of AI are intertwined with potential risks that we need to be mindful of.
It's a delicate balance.
Yeah, we need to be aware of the potential pitfalls while also embracing the opportunities that AI presents.
I agree.
AI has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease to poverty.
Definitely.
Imagine AI-powered systems that can optimize energy consumption, develop personalized medical treatments, or identify and alleviate social inequalities.
Those are truly inspiring possibilities.
It sounds like the future of AI is not predetermined.
No.
It depends on the choices we make today.
That's exactly right.
The future of AI is not something that just happens to us.
It's something we actively shape through our decisions, our research, our policies, and our ethical considerations.
I agree.
It's a future we create together.
Exactly.
So what can we as individuals do to ensure that AI benefits humanity? It can feel overwhelming to think about such a complex and rapidly evolving field.
It's true that AI can feel daunting, but there are things we can all do.
Like what?
Stay informed about AI developments and engage in conversations about its implications.
Okay.
Support organizations that are promoting responsible AI research and development. Be critical of the information you encounter online and be aware of potential biases in AI systems. And perhaps most importantly, be thoughtful about how you interact with AI in your own life.
So it's about being aware, engaged, and intentional in our relationship with this powerful technology.
Exactly.
We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from the basics of AI to the potential for superintelligence and the ethical challenges we face.
We have.
It's been an incredible journey.
It has.
And I feel like I have a much better understanding of this transformative technology.
I'm glad to hear that.
But as we've learned, this is just the beginning of the AI story.
The conversation about AI is ongoing.
Right.
And it's one that we all need to participate in.
Yeah.
The future of AI depends on us.
I agree.
And it's up to all of us to ensure that it's a future we can all look forward to.
Well said, and thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence.
It was my pleasure.
Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.